The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Somervell County in north-central Texas, east-central Erath County in north-central Texas, northwestern Bosque County in central Texas, until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:01 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles southwest of Dinosaur Valley State Park, or 18 miles east of Stephenville, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Glen Rose, Dinosaur Valley State Park, Walnut Springs, Eulogy, Copperhill, Brazos Point, Chalk Mountain, Nemo, and Rainbow. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.